So you heard Nowsite updated the analytics, and you want to see what it's all about. I'm going to show it to you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6 and 7 figure, earn the top of fear, multiple companies, including this one. And hey, let me show you again that news that you can use, okay? So you know that Nowsite updated pretty much everything that they had going on within, the system. And of course, updated for the better. That's why I call it update, because we updated what we had. And now I want to update you on the new analytics section. So before, we was attached to Google Analytics. And let's be honest, it was a little clunky back here, all right? Now things have been streamlined and it looks amazing, all right? So let's go dive right in and show you exactly what it looks like and with it all in details. So when we come up here to the top, we go to now our analytics section and it will bring you here, okay? Now, already you can see things are a lot easier to view exactly what you're looking at. So you can see, all-time total assets. So I got 71 websites. Wow, crazy, right? 71 websites. Let me ask you a question. Where do you else, if you can have 71 websites and you only pay $47 a month? All right, but that's another conversation. We'll get into that. All right, social media posts. So these were the 3-click marketing. Remember, so we got 99 of those, 3 SMS campaigns, 2 Google ads. So this is within the past 7 days, okay? And as you can see, we can go last 30 days, 90. So let's just go to the last year. Let's do that, okay? You can go back a year. So we'll go back to, right now it's October 1st, so we'll go back October 1st. Actually, it's October 1st now, so let's go October 1st, 2021, and then we'll go back October 1st, 2020, okay? So that's 1 year. Hit update. That way we can get a little bit more, analytics back and see. So we can come right here and you can see the different things that you see. Like you can see how many leads you generated. You can see how many SMS campaigns you've done. You can see how many views your website got. You can see right here I got over 8,000 views on my website. You can see how much engagement I'm getting on social media. So forth and so on. Now, it's nice because it really breaks everything down, And now I'm going to start paying a lot more attention back here because the old analytics, I didn't really pay much attention to because it was just too much, because I had too many different moving parts and it was like an octopus, had arms going all over the place. So I was like, didn't really pay it much mind. This one, I'm liking. I'm going to be back here because, like I said, it's streamlined. You can see how much brand exposure you got. Okay, you can see how many customer, how much activity you have within the platform from the people that's already came on. You know what I mean? You can see pretty much just really everything that you would need to see to make a detailed analysis on, what's working, what's not working. What you would need to step up. What you need to ramp up. Like right here, I can see I need to ramp up my social media activity and definitely my SMS. The only reason why you don't see much activity with my SMS because I have a different solution that I use for my SMS because I use the community app, So due to that, that's the only reason why I don't have much going on my SMS. But you notice where I usually use the most was my websites because I always make team funnels, capture pages, landing pages, things like that. So you see a lot of activity there because that's what I'm really focused on more so than anything else. Because it's like anything else. When you're like a construction worker, you have many different tools to get the job done, right? This person might have this type of hammer, that person might have that type of hammer, but at the end of the day, they both have a hammer. So that's kind of how marketing is. Like we all have different tools. You might be using ClickFunnels. I use Nowsite, but at the end of the day, we both building landing pages. You see what I'm saying? So that's why, even though we have a robust amount of tools in here, by me being a real top level marketer, I have tons of tools in my toolbox. And any given day, I could be using any given tool to get the job done, okay? So that's why you might see some numbers lower than others. Like, for instance, my Google Ads activity is lower here because right now I focus more on YouTube ads, you see, video ads. So that's what that is, okay? But again, though, like I said, you can see back here that the analytics is way more beefed up. Way more easy to follow, way more easy to know exactly what you're looking at, okay? And really loving what they did with it. So again, this one's gonna be a short video. You know, it's not really too much to this one. I just wanted to really show you the new analytics part. If you notice, because I know a lot of people always ask me, Kwan, what's everything? You know, what other stuff you got going on? I know I've been watching you do your Nowsite for a minute, but I also know your top level marketing. I want to know what else you got going on. Well, if you notice, the whole time we've been here, if you look up, that QR code been sitting up there, right? Well, all you gotta do is actually scan that QR code, and it'll actually give you a list of all the income opportunities I'm currently in, where I make over 5,000 or more a month in right now. Okay, but let's get back to Nowsite. If you're ready to join Nowsite, let's say you say, you know what, Kwan, I've been watching you for quite some time. I am highly impressed and I'm ready to get started. Then you can do so. All you gotta do is go to getmoneylikeaboss.com. You see it right there. See it at the bottom? Getmoneylikeaboss.com, and we get you going. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. All right. Are you still having a problem scanning that up there? All you have to do is open up your camera, put the phone to it, and scan it. But in the event that you're having problems scanning that QR code, here, I'm going to help you out. All you got to do is text, okay? You text the word money, 702-553-3326, and I'm going to send you back personally all my income opportunities that I'm currently in, all right? And the ones that's working. So no stress. Just text that word money. Money. Text money. All right, to 702-553-3326. All right, last but not least, if you haven't already done so, subscribe, okay? Smash that subscribe, like, and hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos, and you don't be missing out, all right? All right, I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.